This costs nothing. This retails for over $200. The only difference, about 30 minutes and a simple process anyone can learn. I'm going to show you exactly how to take raw chicken, duck or goose feathers, the kind most people throw away, and turn them into stunning professional grade feathers for fascinators, hats, or early millenary projects. Let's start. First, gather your feathers. You can get them from a farmer, a backyard flock, or even after a clean hunt. Don't worry about the dirt or odor. We'll fix that. The most important step is sanitizing. Place your feathers in a sealed plastic bag and put them in the freezer for at least 24 hours to 48 hours. This kills any mites, lice or bacteria. I've already done that. So let's move to washing. Fill a bowl with lukewarm water. Add a few drops of mild dish soap and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. The vinegar helps the feather barbs stay fluffy. Gently switch the feathers in the soapy water. Do not scrub or rub hard. Feathers are delicate. Rinse in clean, lukewarm water until all soap is gone. Then lay the feathers flat on a paper towel to absorb extra moisture. Now air dry the Okay, so we're going to disinfect that. You soak it for 30 minutes in a 1-to-1 mixture of 70% isopropane alcohol and 3% hydrogen peroxide. Then rinse and dry again. You can also bleach if you want to whiten the natural white feathers. Soak them in 3% hydrogen peroxide for several hours. Check every hour and rinse well. If you want colors that pop, you can dye your feathers. Use dye mixed with hot water and white vinegar. Submerge the feathers until you reach your desired shade. Lighter colors take only a minute. Deeper colors may take 10. Rinse and air dry. This is optional, but it's how you get those gorgeous dual tones you see in high-end fascinators. Now trim your feathers into the shape you need. For most fascinators, a teardrop, almond, or rounded triangle works beautifully. Use very sharp scissors and cut slowly. You can also stack several trimmed feathers together for volume. A good tip. Cut one feather, then use it as a template for others. That's it. From free raw feathers to a beautiful money-saving fascinator. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe for more DIY millinery tutorials, and let me know in the comments, what color feathers are you going to make first? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.